Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Inga here again, and this is entrepreneur number four of my business videos. So you guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy this. But today I am reviewing the eyeshadow palette from my Queen's collection. You can go to the website. I'll have it listed below or somewhere around here. And get yourself one of these palettes, and make sure you get your Morphe brushes to go along with these. You know, you need the right brushes to blend those shadows, to put on that, you know what I mean. Yeah, so get yourself a hold of this palette. The mattes are very bold, the shimmers are creamy, they are very blendable, and this palette is highly pigmented. You would not regret a thing about this purchase. So go to my website and just get yourself one of these palettes. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys. And if you have not already done so, just hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. So I'm going to be using two concealers here. First, I'm going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and then I'm going to go in with NYX La Base. It's in Natural. I'm going to apply the concealer evenly over the eyelid, and then I'll be setting it with my Airspun translucent powder. This is the palette that I'm using. It's the Queen's One palette, and I'm just going to go in with that hot pink shade first. And I'm just going to apply this more into the crease area and going slightly above the crease area. Using our Morphe M506 blending brush, and I'm just going to go in with that bright orange, and I'm just going to diffuse this in right above that pink shadow. So right now I'm just smoothing this area out, so when I'm about to apply my highlighter there. Next, I will be cutting my crease, and I'm using a Morphe. It's a small liner brush. I'll have everything in the description box below, and I'm just going to carve my crease out with this. I'm then going to go in with a bigger brush just to smooth everything over, and then I will be setting this also. Using a Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with that Shimmer Gold from the palette, and I'm just going to apply this on half of the eyelid. I'm going to go in with that gorgeous purple from the palette, and I'm just going to apply this in my outer V area, and then I'm just going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm also using a Morphe brush here. I'm also using Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Granite. And I'm following up with the liquid eyeliner from BH Cosmetic in black. And I always like to go over it with the liquid eyeliner because I think that it gives it a more smoother appearance. And right here, I'm just going to go back over with some more primer, and that's La Base. It's by Lancome, and I'm using my foundation from Juvia's Place. I am telling you guys, I had a hard time trying to find my shade in this foundation, but I finally got my shade, and I think it's the perfect match. And it's Tanzania, and it's 205 from Juvia's Place. Right now, I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender. I'm just going to melt this into the face more, make it more seamless. And so I'm going to go in with my ColourPop concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the normal areas that everybody or everyone usually conceals. And again, I'm just going to melt this in with a beauty blender. I'm going to go in with a more yellowish color setting powder, and this is by Makeup Revolution. This is my first time trying this, but I think it came out pretty good. So my bottom liner, I'm just gonna go in with the purple shade, and you will see as I also apply the blue, I'm gonna use that royal blue and apply that under the purple also, and I think everything came out just right. So I'm using as a blush Max Raisin, and then I'm gonna contour with a powder contour from Black Up Cosmetic. So right now I'm just gonna go in with my very own highlighter, and it's bronzy. It's from my collection, and as you can see, it is so pigmented. Oh my gosh, I just love this highlighter. I am gonna have to just tune this down a bit. This is from my collection, and I have two in stock, two different versions. One is glitzy and one is bronzy, and I'm using bronzy now. So I'll be highlighting the other areas that I placed the concealer on earlier. To finish off this look, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder. It's in NC45. I'm just going to be finishing off with this. And now onto the lips. And right now I'm just going to be finishing my lips with Hadassah. This is my lip gloss from the collection, and it's very glossy, very gold, very metallic. You would love this. It's a shimmering color, and if you go to the website, you will find this there also. And of course, I'm setting my face with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look, and this look focuses more on the eyeshadows from my collection. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye. So don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and hit that notification bell. And you guys can go and check out my previous videos. You can go and start back from episode 1, and this is episode 4, like I mentioned earlier. So yeah, guys, go back and check those out and give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comments below.